Alright, so welcome everyone. This is a ukulele tutorial for Wagon Wheel by Darius Rucker. And we're going to do it in a pretty approachable and simple way. The chords we're going to be using today are G, C, D, and E minor. So I'll go over those chords first, just in case you're new to the instrument. So C chord is probably the most loved chord in ukulele because it's just one finger. So we're just going to put the third finger on the third fret of the first string. That's it. And that's a C chord. A G chord is a little tougher. It's more fingers. You're going to keep your top string open, the fourth string. Right? When I say fourth string, I mean the top string. When I say the first string, I mean the bottom string. All right? So you're going to bring your first finger on the second fret of the third string, your second finger on the second fret of the first string, just below that on the same fret, and then you're going to put your third finger on the third fret of the second string. So, okay. And a D chord, the easiest way to play a D chord is to transition from this chord. It's not the easiest way to play it, but it's the easiest way to transition from this chord. Is to bring all of your fingers up one string, so exactly as they are, all the fingers up one string, right? And then slide your third finger back. So you have your first finger on the second fret of the fourth string, your third finger on the second fret of the third string, and your second finger on the second fret of the second string. And the fingers are just kind of squeezed in there. I bring my middle finger kind of straight instead of bending at the first knuckle. That way you could fit it in there. All right, and cover it with your other two fingers. Then an E minor. E minor is going to be first finger on the second fret of the first string, second finger on the third fret of the second string, and your third finger on the fourth fret of the third string. Okay, and again, all strings get played. Right? So those are the four chords we're going to use in the song. And the strumming pattern for the song, let's just go on to C so you can get the strumming pattern down. So it's going to be down, down, up, up, down, up. And you can kind of skip that last up stroke if you feel like you don't have time to get to the chords, to switch to the next chord. So this is how it would go. Real slow. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay? That's the strumming pattern for the whole thing. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Right? That's the whole strumming pattern. So the way you can practice it is practice just the strumming pattern first, and then practice the chord changes. That's usually the place people get held up in every song, both on guitar and ukulele, is that they're not able to switch the chords fast enough. So the best place to spend your time is G to E minor, back to G, right? That's the best place to spend your time practicing, okay? So let's get right to the song now. So the entire song is going to be G, D, E minor, C, G, D, C. And it's alternating between those two lines the entire song. And there's not an exception to the chord changes, but there's an exception to the way they're played in the strumming pattern, which I'll get to. So the verse goes G, D, E minor, C, G, D, C. Like this. G, down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. With the chord names now. G, down, up, down, up, D, down, up, down, up, E minor, down, up, down, up, C, down, up, G, down, up, down, up, D, down, up, C, down, up, down, up, C, down, up, down, up. Okay? So you hold the C for 2 when you come to the C, when it's only the G, D, C. All right. Remember, if you want the PDF of the chord diagrams and the lyrics where the chords go on the lyrics, I'll put that in the strumming pattern into a PDF and put it down below in the description, so you can just download that if you like. All right. And now I'll play it for you so you can hear how it goes. Headed down south to the land of the pines, thumbing my way into North Carolina, staring up the road, pray to God I see headlights. I made it down the coast in 17 hours, I'm picking me a bouquet of dogwood flowers, hoping for Raleigh I could see my baby tonight. And then it goes to the chorus. And there's nothing different you need to learn for the chorus. The chorus is exactly the same, right? So G, D, E minor, C, G, D, C. It's just the singing that changes, so I'll show you that now. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Yeah, rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. All right, so that's pretty much the whole song. The only exception is that in the last verse, when he says, walking through the south out of Roanoke, caught a trucker out of Philly, had a nice long toke. He just strums the instrument once, right? So one strum per chord, and then he comes back in on Johnson City, Tennessee. So it sounds like this. Walking through the south out of Roanoke, caught a trucker out of Philly, had a nice long toke. But he's a-heading west from the Cumberland Gap to Johnson City, Tennessee. Well, I gotta get a move on before the sun. I hear my baby calling my name and I know that she's the only one. All right? And that's the whole song. So have fun. Remember, I'll put the PDF down below. Feel free to download that if you'd like. And I'll also be sending out other ukulele tutorials pretty soon. All right? So have fun with it. Feel free to comment on the video if you have any questions. And until next time, take care.